Elon Musk once said, in order to have clean air in the cities, we need to go electric. And do you know what transmits electricity? Cables. Yes, today we are going to talk about power cables that you don't really care because you only care about yourself. Jokes aside, cable manufacturing is a very huge business, especially after our government announced NETR in August 2023. At the same time, TMB has also announced to invest 90 billion ringgit over the next 6 years for its grid infrastructure. There are three main takeaways from NETR. Number 1. Malaysia renewable energy capacity will increase to 70% by 2050. Number 2. Allow third-party access to power grid. Number 3. Malaysia will start to export renewable energy. All these mean one thing: we need more power cables. So this upcoming MasterTec IPO caught my eye because it is the manufacturer of power cables. So I started reading lor. Hey guys, it's HY, your investing friend. The power cable manufacturing industry can be separated into 3 categories: low voltage, medium voltage, high voltage. The high voltage cable will transmit the electricity from the power plant to the transmission center. Normally, when you see those huge transmission tower with huge power cable, those are high voltage cable lor. Electric will then transmit into smaller distribution substations with medium voltage cable, and also those automotive factory lah, data center lah, semiconductor industry lah, EV charging stations lah, those that use a lot of electric. And from substation to our house, electric is transmitted through low voltage cable. Okay, now we know how power cables is used. Let's look back at MasterTec. MasterTec is currently a low voltage cable manufacturer. They mainly manufacture these 2 types of cables, which are copper and aluminum core wire cable. Currently, MasterTec has the capacity to produce 4,000 tons of copper core cable per year and 5,500 tons of aluminum core wire cable per year. The demand for low voltage cable is very high one. Competition also very jialat low. But MasterTec they're very ambitious. They want to up their game to manufacture medium voltage cable by 2024. That's why they're going to IPO to raise money to build their medium voltage cable factory. They want to increase their medium voltage cable production capacity to 3,600 tons per year. Let's look at their IPO utilization list. 66% of the proceeds will go into building new medium voltage cable factory. Very focused on expansion. Now we look at their financials. Wow, this MasterTec sales and profit grow a lot, but this margin, jialat, quite low yeah. But hey, it is growing lah. One thing to note is over the past 3 years, their profit margin grew from 2% in 2021 to 5.4% in 2022. It is important to know why. In the prospectus, the management explained that the increase in profit margin is due to MasterTec manufacture more aluminum core power cables instead of copper core power cables. And there are lesser aluminum core power cables manufactured in the industry, so they can sell at a higher price. And in page 82 of the prospectus, it also said that aluminum core power cables is widely used in power utilities. Then we can see recently MasterTec sold a lot of their cables to power utility companies like TNB, SEB, SCSB. With over 33% of their sales coming from power utility companies, no wonder sales increased so much lah. There is some concentration risk here. But in 2022, other than TMB, they have around 240 active customers contributing about 70% of their total sales lah. So not too bad. But management also say the competitive environment might drive down the margin in the future because there are many players in this business. And MasterTec's market share is only around 3.6% in 2022. But their latest 2023 6 months results surprised me a bit. 6 months sales already 138 million ringgit with 13.6 million ringgit net profit. PAT margin still can move up to 9.88%. So it is important to see how MasterTec will perform in the long run. Anyway, let's talk about 3 things that I like about MasterTec. Number 1, TMB 90 billion ringgit capex plan over the next 6 years might bring in a lot of business for MasterTec. Number 2, NETR plan to improve power grid infrastructure and to allow third-party access and also to export renewable energy. This means we need more power cables. Number 3, the IPO proceeds are mainly used to expand their business instead of paying off debt. So what do you think about MasterTec IPO? Let me know in the comment section. Until then, stay safe and stay strong investing. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.